No. Hello, still welcome to another video. We're doing a lot of recording, not a lot of videos. And welcome to another Minecraft Advent calendar video today. Is it your turn to review the Advent calendar? Well, yeah, you got 2 days, haven't you?
No.
Yeah, you've got 2 days because you weren't here for episode 7. So I had 2 days notice. You got 2 days notice. You got 8 and 9. So you can go open up your present. You'll slash present or something on there. It's exciting. Make a furnace room. I think I've got a little cobblestone already. There we go. Yep. I didn't know this was coming out, but I saw it in cobblestone art video. So Epicness was online. We had a great catastrophe with a guy called Hardwolf.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what was. Is half our chest gone? Did Hardwolf take half our stuff? Before we had the autosave. Come down here. Let me tell you. I swear they were full. I swear I filled this chest up, so I started filling that one.
Well, the second one was. The
No.
middle one.
No, this one. No, I filled this one up first. The bottom one I filled up, and then I started moving on to this one here. So I'm moving on to this.
What?
He must have taken our stuff. We had a catastrophe with Hardwolf. He joined the world and he had no permissions. He turned himself to creative. Then he spawned in the Wither. It's worse than Street Wizard at one time. Just remember that when he joined our world while recording and destroyed
And he
it.
said, I'm gonna kill you. And then we just got owned him by teleporting him in the air.
We teleport from the hive world and dude, get fucking wrecked. Where? 1, 2, 3. Oh, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I swear I clicked 7 stacks of cobblestone. I swear I definitely clicked 7 stacks of cobblestone. I clicked 7 stacks and 13. Okay, he's stolen a stack of our cobblestone. But then what do you use it for? Carve wood for stone. Great, that's perfect. So the time we need it, he stole it. I'm guessing about nearly a stack of furnaces is needed to make a furnace room. House. We only got 53. That's actually quite a few. Owen, my mic's sounding weird when you're gone.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi.
There you go. He stole a stack of our cobblestone. So now it's gonna be a lot hard. Remember we had 7 stacks and 13. Now we've only got 6 stacks and 13.
Yeah.
He stole a stack. Wait, who's that? Look at the chest. When I zoom it, it starts wobbling and shaking its boot head. Wait, look at that, so weird.
Yeah, I know.
So weird. Shake his boot head. Okay, you take us. We've got 27 each. I've got 26. You've got 27. So we start building it. You remember what we do? I think I've told you the layout already. So 1, 2, 3, 4. By 1, 2. Actually, I need a pickaxe. We need to place it the exact right way around. Like you did. I'm so low on hunger. I need food. You can suicide, but I've got all the levels, so I can't suicide. So I need food, or I've got 1 flesh. I'll have to do. Watch out for goo, I believe. That was a joke, by the way. Watch out for zombies. I'm eating I'm eating the zombie's bottom. Google is a joke, by the way. As you can tell, obviously. Viewers of YouTube. Oh my god, wait, actually, we've got I feel like him taking a stack off us is actually giving us more furnaces for some reason. I swear, for him.
I've only got 1 left.
I've got 12.
Food. Yeah, but I just did 3 or
I did like none of it. Oh my god, wait, have we got enough? I swear like him taking stuff away has made it so we've got extra. Like literally, we literally can do this. Like, no joke. Okay, no, we need more. I'm gonna put it in this way. Boom. Well, actually, no. What we're doing? It goes up, piles up like that. Boom. So okay, so we need a bit more. All right, Owen, get a pickaxe and come mine with me. You got guys. If you didn't know, I built this platform.
No.
What is it?
Brother's on Minecraft.
Oh, he's in here. No.
He's probably what? No. The island is of I don't know what the word is. Oh no, the house is destroyed again.
What?
There was a creeper.
Oh, stupid Harvey. He does have. He ruins everything, doesn't he? I bet you that came in the world. So I don't, guys. We'll fix it. We'll fix it out of the episode. I'm flying at the moment because, like, seriously, as soon as I heard you say the world's been destroyed, I was like, what? And I just started flying. So, guys, I'll turn flying off in a second. I just want to see what Owen's talking about. This guy's insane. This guy's on gold armor. Oh, he's got a helmet. I need that. I need helmet. I need helmets. Need helmets. Need helmets.
Hello? Hi.
Hello.
Bye.
I'm glad I've come down.
I just said bye.
Bye. Hi. Bye. I got a few of the pieces which fell. A few of the bricks.
Marvel sent me a message. Wow. What? This was me a message saying wow.
Does he like our world? I think he might like our world.
Did you kick me? Did you
No.
kick him, I mean? Did you kick him? No?
I kicked him, I kicked him, I kicked him, I kicked him!
He always puts wow when like something bad happens. So I'm just gonna put it on me. And
Well, it isn't our fault. He's only griefed our world. I don't trust a griefer to like... Oh, I thought all the stuff would return to the chest and as I move it to one chest, I'm like... What? Okay, right, you keep mining. And I'll keep mining as well. We need about... So what, we've got 1, 2, 3... We've got 5 furnaces and 2
I'm
furnaces.
back.
7 furnaces. What's 7 times 8? 56. We need 56 cobblestone. We'll get 28 each, I think.
I don't know why I was like, you put your Christmas tree up there.
No. Oh my god, this is so annoying! I want to put like 1 block of cobblestone, which is down there, which is really annoying me now. You get me on my nerves. Like, okay, it's back. Like, hell no. What?
The good thing about this is that you can't die of lava unless you like jump in.
Oh my god, why is it raining again? I just turned it off raining, I swear. Turn it today as well, because it's got beds. I can't be bothered to go to bed, guys. We're not cheating, we do have beds. I just can't be bothered to go to sleep. We could borrow those furnaces
How
there.
much do we need each?
28. I've already made 1 furnace. Actually, do we need 28? We might need a bit more. We need to make...
I've got 23. 25.
Right, you try to get 28.
Okay.
Then when you do that, make all the furnaces you can get. That means Leo's on. I'm gonna try get him 6.
Hello?
Hello? That's guys, that should be enough because I've only got 8, and 8 and 16 is 24.
I got 31.
I like this crafting grid. 41. I asked you to get 200 stacks. That's nothing.
Oh my god, that Harvey was such a new.
Actually, no, wait. Actually, wait, how? I know. What did he what? What now?
He just put.
Wait, can I make another one? We'll do it.
He just put. I just put. I didn't even kick you, and then he put, "Can I join?" Does he not understand that you can't join if you've been kicked?
How many furnaces did you get? We need 4.
I tried to fix the house. Right.
How many fences did you
I'm gonna
get?
make-
We
Right,
need
I'm gonna
4.
make-
We need
right,
4.
I've got 3.
We need 4.
Hang on. I need one more bit. I've got 7.
Wait. Yeah, I thought you said you had 42. I thought you said you had 42 cobblestone.
31.
Oh, I thought you said 41.
Not 32.
What am I doing?
Not 42.
There you go. You guys, I'm confused now. I did have to cobblestone on me all the time. Hello,
Oh.
Leo. If you want to join,
Right.
you're welcome. Do you,
Oh, no, I did that the wrong way around.
can I have 2? Can I have 2 furnaces and I'll do it, and then you do the other 2. It'll be a lot quicker process. Oh my god, he's left again. I feel like Leo's been rage quitting our parties for quite a while now. Today, every time.
No, because he didn't want to join. Because he can't join.
I know, because you can't join us. Because you can't join the world. He rage quits our parties. It's actually quite annoying. There you go, furnace house made. So guys, I have the episode. I'll fix the house. And I'll see you in the next episode. Like, why can't I fit through the door? I feel like I'm growing. I'm fat now. Guys. See you in the next episode. Bye. You can see my hand.